What's up, y'all? This is Martin with Elite Sales Consulting Group, the Elite Strategist. Check us out every Thursday on Red Ink Radio Live at 7 p.m. on Red Ink Radio Live every Thursday. Check out our radio show. Today, I want to talk about this morning's tip is about language. What is the meaning of language and how language can empower or debilitate our nervous system, or the different states the language we use can create in our nervous system. We're going to start with what does language means? Language. Lang's root is from lengua. In Spanish, lengua means the tongue. All right? Lang means tongue. Lang means tongue, and gauge means to measure. So I'm going to give you two examples so you can see what I'm talking about. Number one, right? Check out the feeling this creates. I want you to clear your screen, and I want you to think when I say the dog bit the man. You got a picture in your head. That sends a particular energy. That sends particular energy down your nervous system. Number two is, ready? The man bit the dog. That sends a different energy down your body, right? So the language that you use with others as well as with yourself, the self-conversations you're having with yourself, all right, can really impact how you feel. Think about that for a moment. I'm going to give you another example now. The father spanked his child. The father spanked his son. All right, you got a picture, clear that screen. Now, the son spanked his father. Totally different picture, right? Well, what if we did this? What if we changed the word spanked and we said the father not spanked but disciplined his son? The father disciplined his son. Does that give you a different emotion? Or what if we say the son disciplined his father? Right? Two totally different feelings. So I can play with these words. To create different and to create and invoke different emotions on others as well as myself. Most importantly, I want to master myself. The questions and the conversations I'm having in my head about myself and my strategies are more important. So I want to master the language I use for myself to create more empowering language for myself. All right. Thanks for checking us out. Check us out every Thursday on Red Ink Radio Live, RedInkRadioLive.com at 7 p.m. We'll have information like this and so much more, how to master your state on elite life strategies. Again, this is the Elite Strategist with Elite Sales Consulting Group. Martin Perdomo. Peace. Love y'all.